Restural EMS Foot Drop Review 2025 Legit Device or Bar Caution. Honest breakdown. Most people get this wrong by assuming all EMS devices are equally effective. The surprising truth is that the Restural EMS Foot Drop device can be helpful, but results vary and proper usage is key. The device uses electrical muscle stimulation to assist in lifting the foot for those with foot drop. Users report improved mobility and muscle activation when used consistently. You won't believe how much difference regular use can make for daily walking and stability. Setup is simple, with adjustable straps and settings for intensity. Battery life is decent, and the device is portable. However, it may not replace physical therapy, and consulting a medical professional before starting is recommended. The surprising truth is that combining EMS therapy with exercise maximizes results. Customer reviews are generally positive, highlighting comfort and ease of use. Negative feedback often involves slower results for severe cases. In conclusion, Restural EMS Foot Drop is a legitimate device for supporting foot mobility, but effectiveness depends on proper use and user condition. Focus on consulting healthcare providers, following instructions, and setting realistic expectations.